Elecampane, Inula helenium, is a herbaceous plant that is native to Europe and Asia. It is also known by various other names, including horseheel, elfdock, and wild sunflower. The plant is characterized by its large, coarse leaves and yellow, daisy-like flowers that bloom in late summer. Welcome to today's video, where we'll take a deep dive into the fascinating world of Elecampane, Inula helenium. We'll uncover its rich history and cultural significance, explore the hidden nutritional gems it holds, unveil its potent medicinal uses, learn the art of harnessing its potential, and discover who should exercise caution when considering this botanical wonder. But first, if you're as intrigued as we are about the wonders of natural healing, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button for healthism. Elecampane, Inula helenium, has a long and diverse history with cultural and medicinal significance. Ancient uses. Elecampane has been used in traditional medicine for centuries. The ancient Greeks and Romans used it to treat various ailments, including digestive issues and respiratory conditions. Medieval Europe. In medieval Europe, Elecampane gained popularity as a medicinal herb. It was often used to alleviate digestive discomfort, and its expectorant properties were valued for treating coughs and respiratory problems. Culinary use. Historically, Elecampane was also used as a culinary herb. Its roots were sometimes used to flavor drinks or as an ingredient in sweets and liqueurs. Folklore and magic. In some cultures, Elecampane had mystical and magical associations. It was believed to have protective properties and was sometimes used in rituals or as an ingredient in charms. Native American use. Native American tribes, such as the Cherokee, used Elecampane for medicinal purposes. It was employed as a remedy for various ailments, including coughs and digestive issues. Traditional Chinese medicine. In traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, a related species called Inula britannica is used. It is known as Xian Fu Hua and is utilized for its potential benefits in addressing respiratory conditions and promoting the flow of qi, energy. Modern herbalism. Elecampane remains a part of modern herbalism and natural medicine. Herbalists today often use it as an expectorant and for its potential anti-inflammatory properties. Cultural significance and uses of Elecampane have varied across regions and time periods. While it may not be as widely used in contemporary medicine as in the past, it continues to be of interest to herbalists and those exploring traditional remedies. It's important to note that its efficacy and safety should be considered in consultation with healthcare professionals, especially when used for medicinal purposes. Elecampane, Inula helenium, is not typically consumed as a food, so it is not commonly recognized for its nutritional benefits in the way that fruits, vegetables, or other edible plants are. However, some nutritional components can be found in its roots and leaves. Inulin. The root of Elecampane contains a compound called inulin, which is a type of soluble dietary fiber. Inulin can support digestive health by serving as a prebiotic, nourishing beneficial gut bacteria. Vitamins and minerals. While not a significant source of vitamins and minerals, Elecampane may contain small amounts of nutrients like vitamins A and C, as well as trace minerals. Essential oils. Elecampane root may contain essential oils, which can contribute to its aroma and potential medicinal properties. These oils may have varying chemical components that could have therapeutic effects. It's important to note that Elecampane is primarily valued for its potential medicinal properties rather than its nutritional content. People historically used it for its medicinal benefits, especially as an expectorant and for digestive issues. However, if you are considering using Elecampane for its potential health benefits, it's crucial to consult with a healthcare professional or herbalist to ensure safe and appropriate usage, as improper use can lead to side effects or interactions with medications. Elecampane, Inula helenium, has a history of medicinal uses and is believed to offer several potential health benefits, although it's essential to consult with a healthcare professional before using it for medicinal purposes. Some of its traditional and historical medicinal uses include respiratory health. Elecampane is known for its expectorant properties, which means it may help loosen and expel mucus from the respiratory tract. It has been used to alleviate symptoms of respiratory conditions such as coughs, bronchitis, asthma, and even tuberculosis. Digestive aid. Elecampane has been used to support digestive health. It may help relieve indigestion, bloating, and gas by promoting healthy digestion and reducing inflammation in the digestive tract. Antibacterial and anti-inflammatory. Some studies suggest that Elecampane contains compounds with potential antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. It has been used topically to treat wounds and skin conditions. Stimulating appetite. Elecampane has been employed as an appetite stimulant, especially in cases of loss of appetite due to illness or convalescence. Worm expulsion. In traditional herbal medicine, Elecampane has been used to expel intestinal worms. Menstrual issues. In some traditional systems of medicine, Elecampane has been used to address menstrual irregularities and discomfort. Immune support. Some believe that Elecampane may help support the immune system due to its potential anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties. Diuretic. It has been used as a diuretic to increase urine production and potentially aid in flushing toxins from the body. It's important to reiterate that while Elecampane has been used for these purposes historically and in traditional medicine, scientific research on its efficacy and safety is limited, and results can vary. Before using Elecampane or any herbal remedy for medicinal purposes, consult with a qualified healthcare provider, herbalist, or naturopathic practitioner. They can provide guidance on appropriate dosages and potential interactions with medications or existing health conditions. If you're considering using Elecampane for its potential medicinal benefits, it's crucial to use it safely and effectively. Here are some general guidelines on how to use Elecampane. Consult a healthcare professional. Before using Elecampane or any herbal remedy, consult with a healthcare professional, herbalist, or naturopathic practitioner. They can provide personalized guidance based on your specific health needs and any potential interactions with medications. Forms of Elecampane. Elecampane is available in various forms, including dried roots, extracts, tinctures, and capsules. Choose the form that is most convenient for you, but follow dosing instructions carefully. Dosing. Dosage recommendations can vary based on the specific product and intended use. Always follow the recommended dosage provided on the product label or the guidance of a healthcare professional. Dosages can vary widely, so it's essential not to exceed recommended levels. Tea. To make Elecampane tea, you can use dried Elecampane root. Steep approximately 1 to 2 teaspoons of dried root in hot water for about 10 to 15 minutes. Drink the tea up to 3 times per day. Again, consult with a professional for precise dosing. Tincture. If using an Elecampane tincture, follow the recommended dosage on the product label or as advised by a healthcare professional. Tinctures are concentrated, so you typically only need a few drops. Topical use. Elecampane may be used topically as a poultice or cream for wound healing and skin conditions. Consult a professional for proper application. Duration of use. It's important to use Elecampane for the recommended duration. For acute conditions like coughs, you might use it for a short period, while for chronic conditions, a healthcare professional can guide you on long-term use. Monitor for side effects. While Elecampane is generally considered safe when used as directed, some individuals may experience allergic reactions or digestive upset. If you experience any adverse effects, discontinue use and seek medical advice. Interactions. Be aware of potential interactions with medications or other herbs you may be taking. Discuss these with your healthcare provider. Pregnancy and nursing. Pregnant or nursing women should exercise caution and consult with a healthcare professional before using Elecampane, as its safety during these periods is not well established. Here are the groups of individuals who should exercise caution or avoid using Elecampane. Pregnant and nursing women. Use with caution. Safety not well established during pregnancy and nursing. Allergic reactions. Those with Asteraceae plant allergies may be at risk of allergic reactions. Children. Be cautious with children. Consult a pediatrician before use. Medications. Consult with healthcare provider if on medications, potential interactions exist. Individual sensitivities. Monitor for discomfort or side effects. Discontinue if experienced. Underlying health conditions. Seek professional advice if managing chronic illnesses. Surgery. Inform healthcare provider before surgery if using Elecampane. It may affect bleeding.